Hi everyone, today I will disassemble and assemble a Ford Escape for everyone. Because it is quite old, the functions of the car and engine are old, let us upgrade it. Here's the wire that comes with the new car radio. I'll show you how to disassemble and plug in later. First, we remove the audio cover of the original car. Next, we remove the screws that fix the plastic of the original car screen. There are double flashing lines here. We need to unplug. Now we need to remove the 4 screws that hold the original car screen. Okay, take off the original car screen, unplug all the plugs on the back. Now we dismantle the original car host and unplug all the plugs on the back. Now we have to remove the air conditioner air outlet on the plastic of the original car and install it on the plastic of the new screen. Now start to connect the wires. This is a double flashing wire. Let's plug it in. Then connect the power socket with the original car plug. Connect the reversing camera cable. Connect this other original car plug. Remember, the others do not need to be connected. Here we connect the Ford antenna, GPS antenna, and radio antenna, according to the holes. Then connect 2 USB cables to the jack, and then use this cable to bridge the USB output cable of the original car. Now we connect the black end of the power cord to the hole on the new screen. Finally, connect the radio antenna to the original car radio head to complete the wiring and then install the new car radio. Okay, as long as the cover is restored, the effect is only demonstrated here. Let's power it up and test it. Let's test the double flash first. Then test the steering wheel control. You can see that there is no problem. Support synchronous display of car air conditioner and the radio. Screen can also operate the air conditioner. Support the original car reversing image. The large screen display is clearer and safer. Support FM/AM radio. Play video on the big screen. Imagine the car seat. Support DSP sound adjustment. Find the sound quality that suits you. Now let's connect wireless CarPlay. You can voice control, make calls, listen to music, use online map navigation, etc. If your mobile phone is an Android version, it also supports wireless Android Auto, and you can also use similar functions such as CarPlay. This is its radio settings and configuration information. There are more original car settings waiting for you to experience. Thank you for watching.